Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my jerked flat chicken. Very simple to do, really tasty and spicy, this one. Let's get on with it. First thing I've got is my blender. Haven't used this thing in a good couple of years. It's a real nice heavy duty one. We're going to add in about 1.5 brown onions. We've given that a bit of a dice up. Put that straight into your blender. I'm going to add in around about 6 spring onions. That's going to go in, just giving those a rough chop. Around about 8 cloves of fresh garlic, that goes in. Really simple. 1 large green chili. Add some habaneros, add some jalapenos if you want, if you really want that authentic, real heavy spice. And we're just going with a nice large green chili. Around about 2.5 teaspoons of ginger paste, that can go in, or you could use around about 1.5 inch piece of ginger. I'm putting in brown sugar. I'm going to add in about 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of allspice, around about a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and about half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. That's going in. Really nice and easy. Just put all of that straight into the blender, just like that. I'm also going to add in around about 2 tablespoons of ground thyme, that can go in, or dried thyme, that goes in, and half a cup of soy sauce, that can go straight in. And I'm also going to add in around about half a cup of fresh lime juice of 3 limes. That all goes straight into the blender. Right, pop the lid on, nice and secure, just like that. And all I'm going to do now is just pulse that at around about speed 2 on this particular blender. Just pulse that through until everything starts to get incorporated. And once we start seeing everything get together, all we have to do then is give that a really good blitz, just like that. Now this blender is made to chop ice. It's a real heavy duty thing, and I usually use this to make margaritas, not make marinades, but this one calls for it. Right, get your chicken. This one is a big one. She's around about a size 22, around about 2.2 kilos. So just down the backbone, get your poultry shears and just carefully cut straight down the backbone, just like I'm doing right there. You could use a knife if you want, but poultry shears make it so much easier. So just cut it from one end all the way through to the other. We can spread our bird open like that, and we're still going to find a bit of resistance, so I'm just going to tip that upside down and give that a bit of a heart massage, just like that, and see if we can breathe a bit of life into it. Alright, so here we go. We've got our nice flat chicken, really nice and easy. Now all I'm simply going to do is poke a few holes here and there using a small paring knife, just to help the marinade seep in, and just pour that marinade all over the chicken, just like that. Get every bit you can out of that blender. You can see me just scraping that out. Alright, now what I'm going to do is, as you can see, I've got my gloves on. Very good reason for that, because we're going to give this bird a nice massage. So get that marinade into every nook and cranny that you possibly can. And as you can see, it's quite a nice thin type of marinade. You can put this into a Ziploc bag if you want, but that is going to be one very large Ziploc bag. Make sure you get some of that jerk seasoning on the inside as well, because we're going to leave this thing, I'm going to leave that upside down for around about 2 hours. Just let all that marinade get in, and every now and then I'm going to come in and marinate the other side. So around about 4 hours later, I'm just going to make sure we're going to top up some of our jerk seasoning over the top where our tongs just scraped a little bit off. Now my oven is sitting at 180 degrees Celsius. You can put this in the barbecue if you want, but you don't really need to. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt over the top. You could put that salt in the marinade if you want, but I'm just going to do it this way. Really nice and easy. And all I'm going to do is pick this bird up and put that in the oven for around about half an hour per 500 grams, or 1 hour per kilo. And when it comes out, look at the color of that. Does that look amazing or what? And the smell in the kitchen at the moment is amazing. I'm just going to serve this up. I've cut this bird in half again. I'm going to serve it up just as a nice big slab of chicken like that, with a few fries, and you can put a side salad with it as well, or you could chop it up into smaller pieces. I'd love to see you try and make this one at home. It is easy and incredibly tasty, and as I said, you can add some habanero or some jalapenos into that to make it even spicier. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it, and if you like this video, hit that like button, it gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them, but more importantly, if you want to learn how to make something, again, a little bit different from a different culture, just like this beautiful Jamaican jerked chicken, we need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my jerked flat chicken, and I will catch you next time. Bye.